Ax equal to b, therefore AB is, what to do is, this A you will write as it is 1 1 1 1 minus 1 2 3 1 1 and 2 minus 2 3, and B will be, if you need you can put this column here, and if you do not put, it's okay. So now B I will write as this is B. So this is our A, this is X, this is B. So AB, when you write, we write A first, then B, that is 6 5 8 7. This is AB. Okay, then what to do is, we will do row transformation in this one. Convert this into, means reduce this into echelon form. Okay, row transform, you use only row transformation and find the rank of this matrix. So first step what I will do is, rank of the matrix we are going to do now, that is, I will make these 3 zeros, only row transformation. So find the rank using row transformation, using echelon form. So echelon form you will
column transformation नहीं use कर
no,
सकते?
we cannot use column transformation because this is only one matrix is there, so you cannot do column transformation here, and only row transformation, echelon form you need to use. Okay, so before that, here 1 1 1 6 as it is, I'll make this 3 zeros. So first of all, R2 minus R2 changes to R2 minus R1, then R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times R1, and R4 changes to R4 minus 2 times R1, like the previous one what you used to do. So when you do that, this also will come, A587, this also you will be using this transformation here also. Okay, now I'll tell you what is going to happen. So suppose after finding out all that, after finding out all that, suppose we are going to get it is like that, 1 1 1 3, say 0 1 2 4 0 0 1 3 0 0 0 4. Suppose we are going to get like this, because we don't have much time to solve that now. So now after simplifying all that, suppose we are, last step is this one. Okay, so what is this here? This is our A, this is A, and this is B. Together this is AB. Okay, together this is AB, this part is A, this is B, together it is AB. Now look at this one. Therefore here rank of A will be what? Rank of A will be, you will be considering only this matrix. Rank of A is number of non-zero rows here. So 1, 2, 3. Rank of A will be 3 here. Understood? So when you, after simplification, after doing all the transformation, suppose we are getting like this, the echelon form, then you will just take the A part. Then rank of A will be that only. Number of non-zero rows, 1, 2, 3. And rank of AB. Rank of AB will be what? Rank of AB means you need to consider all. This complete you will consider. So when you consider that complete, what will be the rank of AB? Tell me, what is the rank of AB here?
3.
Number of non-zero rows. A, B we are considering. When you consider A, that will be only this. This is A. This is
4.
AB means complete matrix you are considering. This is AB. Okay. So in this one, non-zero rows are this 1, this 2, this 3 and 4. So AB will be 4. Okay. So 4. Here A, rank of A and AB are different. So system is inconsistent, like that you may get. But here this is just an example I have shown. When you simplify this one, you will get it as consistent only, unique solution also you will get. I just wanted to tell you how to find the rank. Understood? So to get the rank of A, you will take only the A part, and to get the rank of AB, you will consider the whole matrix. Okay. So for Monday, what you have to do, I mean for Wednesday, next day, what you have to do, reduce this. Reduce this up to this echelon form. Okay, it is not this. For example, I wrote. So reduce that matrix using the echelon form, and later we will continue. Okay.